Want to tap into one of the world's biggest gaming trends? Mobile games are booming. With over 2.4 billion mobile gamers worldwide, it's easy to see why this industry is full of opportunities for developers with the right skills. The Mobile Game Dev Mini degree will give you everything you need to start building your own mobile games with Unity, even if you've never coded before. You'll master in-demand game development skills and techniques, including building to Android and iOS, working with touch gestures, debugging, and more, all while creating real mobile games in some of the most popular styles, including a 2D platformer, a road crossing game, and a physics puzzle game. You'll also learn how to set yourself up for success with monetization and in-app purchases before publishing your games to the Play Store and the App Store. With Zenva Academy, you'll join a community of lifelong learners, innovators, and technologists who will help you to succeed and reach your goals. Like many of our hundreds of thousands of students, you'll gain skills that will help you to publish games and apps, land your dream job, start your own business, or just have fun with an awesome new hobby. You'll also tailor your learning to suit your needs and enjoy the flexibility of watching our courses on all devices anywhere at any time, with no deadlines or due dates. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to play the games that you'll create.